Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting tutorial lined up just for you. We will be creating an awesome poster for BTS RM's latest music video, Lost, using Adobe Express. So if you are an BTS army or just someone who loves designing, this tutorial is for you. Let's get creative. First up, we need to capture the perfect moments. Here, I'm directly taking screenshots from YouTube. Now, open Adobe Express. If you don't have an account, what are you waiting for? You can easily sign up for free. Once you have logged in, click on Create a New Project. It's like starting a new adventure, or at least a new episode of your favorite show. Now, choose an image for the background of your poster. Now, choose the size of our poster. Now it's upload time. Let's get those screenshots in here. Then adjust the photos and crop the excess part. Now choose the order of each photo. Now let's make it look even more fabulous. Adjust brightness, contrast, add filters. Make sure to set sharpness of the photo to 100% to get the HD photos. Next up, let's add the star of our show, RM. Click on the Photos tab and upload a high quality image of our favorite leader. Position it like a pro and use the Remove Background tool to make it pop. Now, add some more screenshots from the music video to make it look more fantastic.
바람이 불어온 그 밤에 고진했던 조각들이 난 떠올라 순간에 falling down
Time to add some text. Click on the Text tab. Pin the title Lost. Choose a font that matches the mode of the music video. From Adobe Font section, adjust the size, color, and positioning until you are happy with the look.
언제까지나 it's alright 내 안에 너만을 기억할 수 있는 순간이 바로 지금이야 Take me back 그 밤을 되돌리고 싶어
Let's take it up a notch. Head to the Design Assets tab and search for fun graphics. Let's add some texture to our poster. Here, I'm choosing a filmy texture to the poster.
It's alright
Next, add filters and adjust the opacity. Almost there. Take a moment to fine-tune your masterpiece.
좋았던 기억이 이제 남아있지가 않아 언제까지나 it's alright 후회는 없다고 다짐했던 나
Adjust everything until it's perfect as Jin's worldwide handsome face.
Take me back 그 밤을 되돌리고 싶어 내가 지키려 했던
Click download to save your poster.
버렸어
Here is a pro tip. Don't be afraid to experiment. Play around with colors, fonts and design elements. Who knows, you might just create something even RM would tweet about. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow army. Comment below with your poster designs and tag me on social media so I can see your amazing creations. Don't forget to subscribe for more BTS inspired tutorials.